This is Project Island Defender, an E.C.D custom Defender 90 built to our client's exact specification. The Island Defender is painted in full gloss Keswick green with black accents. Island Defender sits on 16-inch Wolf wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This D90 features a multi-point roll cage with soft top, classic front bumper with daytime running lights, and E.C.D custom metal steering guard. Inside, Island Defender features an E.C.D NRG steering wheel with all-American gauges, 2 Corbeau trail cap front seats, and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a horizontal Garrett Torino Lakestone leather, stitched together in dark plum. Island Defender is powered by our GM L92 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. D90 also features an array of modern conveniences such as gel audio sound system, Apple CarPlay and access to USB ports throughout.